welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title, I am going to cook Russian food. I can't remember what it's called. This video is inspired by Swaggy on the Island. If you don't know about that family, they are a biracial couple and they're living on the island, hence the name Swaggy on the Island. Let's get started. Cook with me. Alright guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, so I have all the ingredients Swaggy has suggested. The flour, the 80 ml of milk, 80 ml of water, oil. I think she missed the oil, but I'm just gonna put the same amount. Salt, onion, garlic, minced beef, 1 egg, did I say flour, and the black pepper. So she did suggest to put all of these, like the milk and the flour. Ooh, as I washed my hands before, don't worry. Okay, let me show you guys. This looks delicious. You know about the what you call it? The oil, you know. I think I'm making a mess. We should have followed Swaggy, you know, because of her recipe, but me just assume that she forgot it. I think the oil was not supposed to go in here. But in true Jamaican style, just gonna add some more flour. No measurement. Go over to Swaggy's channel and get the right recipe. This is just for, I'm doing it in honor of the Stevenson family. And I also want to try. It feels really good. I think it's okay, but because I put the oil in it, it needed a bit more flour. I'll show you guys soon. Okay, so guys, the flour is done. I've kneaded it. Can you see it? I think you can, yeah. It looks good. It looks like Swaggy flour. So I'm going to just cover this now. She said to leave it for 40 minutes. Now it's 20 minutes after the hour. So I'm going to leave this for 40 minutes and then prepare the minced beef. Catch you soon. Okay, so now I have done the flour and it's resting 40 minutes. We still have some more time. I'm going to do the minced beef or minced meat. So this is a mixture of beef and pork. So I'm just going to chop these in two. So I'm going to add this to the mincemeat. And then she said half of teaspoon, the tiny spoon, half of that. Oh gosh, so strong. Ooh. Pelmeni. Russian Pelmeni. Inspired by Swaggy on the Island. Guys, go check them out. Swaggy, they have a lot of subscribers, you know. They don't need my shout out. But I admire the girl. She's Russian. I admire the family. The whole of them. All of them. The husband. She's Russian and he's a pro footballer. He played for Jamaica some years back. And then he went abroad. Met her. Guys, go watch them and listen to their story. It's so inspiring. They have 2 little boys and the guy is a twin. I find that really cool. So she cooks Jamaican and she also dance. She's a dancer. And she recommended, no, I think someone asked her to cook Jamaican, to cook something Russian. And why may I use that pepper here? Someone asked her to cook something Russian and she decided to give us this one. So I'm thinking she's always cooking Jamaican. I admire that she even tries. So why not try something from her country? I think it was a cool idea to do and give her credit. Make this whole video about her and her family. She also mentioned in here that she doesn't cook this a lot in Jamaica because Jamaica is warm. And in Russia, this is to keep you warm during winter time. And I live in Switzerland and it's cold. It has been snowing a lot for the past few days, so it's really cold. And I thought this is a good idea, such a good idea to try Swaggy's cold recipe here as a Jamaican. And also they were talking about frying these. I can imagine these fried. For some reason I can imagine them fried. So I'm going to fry some of them as well. Stay tuned if you want to see that. Swaggy also mentioned that in Russia they don't really use seasoning, only black pepper and salt. And I'm going to do the same here because I think beef has such a nice taste by itself. We don't need to add anything else to it. So I'm going to leave that there. Now I'm going to mix it, but let me bring the camera closer so you can see it. Swaggy is very easygoing, and as she said, just make it work with what you have. Make it work. So the next time I see you guys, we will be filling this into the dough. Alright, see you guys soon. Okay guys, so from here on, you might not see my face until I'm done. I'm going to focus more on this. So basically what she did, she put cling wrap and some flour so she doesn't make so that the pastry doesn't stick. Alright, so that's the baking tray. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the pastry that we made, this one. I'm honestly not sure if it's too, but anyways, I have thing here. And basically what she did was to use the pin and flatten it. The thicker it is, the thicker your thing is gonna be. Oh, and I forgot to mention that we're gonna basically boil these in bouillon water. I'm gonna do bit by bit because it's getting too big. It's too big for the surface, so I'll cut it. Do half of it. So just cut it. Oh, onion stuff. And then, okay, so I don't have the design thingy, so I'm gonna use glass. So this is a bigger glass, this is a smaller one. I'm not sure what size exactly to use. So as Swaggy said, cut them close because you don't want to waste anything. So I'm cutting this one. Smells so good. So I'm gonna just put this. She said not enough to flow off, nothing run off. So I'm gonna just put this like this. Like how she. And she said, if you fold it. This is a nice activity to do with your family. I tried to get my, to drain out juicy man. I tried to get my husband involved. Him no want do it, he say too much work. Tried to get my son involved. Him gone out with friends. So look at this, guys. This look good already. This look good. And then she said, if you put your finger in here, Jesus Christ. I'm fully. Why, God? I feel like it do good enough. I hope she bring this her down. Jeez, how me get my finger out of this now? So okay. I don't know if you get my finger out there. I think I saw she do it. Something like this. Then now I go perfect. This I'm my first ever making something like this. You look good, man? Berkey there does make it some more space. She said if you put space or when you cook it, the meat will come out. So I'm going to give more space and I think it turn up like this. Alright, I'll put this on there. Why? Guys, look who is home. Come next to me. David is home, so he's going to help me. Alright, so this is a Russian Pelmeni. I can't remember the name. So a Russian girl who lives in Jamaica, the one where we always watch here. She made this and we're replicating it. So basically, what you're gonna do is put the meat, it's a small amount like this, in here. Then wrap it, close it like this. Close it. Make sure this is sealed because she said when you cook it, it might drain out if it's not closed properly. So you close this. This is a winter food in Russia. So perfect for us now. This is why I wanted to replicate it. Because we're Caribbean people, sometimes we don't really know the right food. Okay, by now we kind of know, but the right food to eat.
They don't like the
patties. Jamaican patties.
Yeah, kind of, but
what?
the other one, let me show you.
Ravioli. Yeah, they look like ravioli. And then you're gonna fold it. You put this finger here or something like that. Important is that the two ends come together. You see? And then you squeeze that close. Kind of make it neat and nice. And you put it on the baking tray. Put it on the baking tray. So I already prepared the baking tray. Okay? Alright guys, so this is it. We did it. I don't know if you've seen it good. Let me make a proper video. So these are like equivalent to in Jamaica, like spice it up. Nothing on them say, no, I don't know what they name. You know, Maggi is something you can use to spice up your food and so. Yeah. Or you can boil them in like with the Maggi cock soup or something like that. Oh, she covered them, I don't cover them. Food there, this place.
Yeah. And now I'm going to put them in the freezer. Yeah.
In the fridge?
I'm going to give it some deep freeze. Yeah, I'm going to continue.
So wait there.
Because I have flour that I
We have to freeze them, David. Well, me not freeze them right now because it's already a boil. You see this in a God. We're not freeze them. Yes, so I'm going to give it a little bit more. I don't know what happens if it's overcooked. I don't think anything happens. But so I'm going to leave it a little bit. But then I float. After about 5 minutes, that was very quick. Alright, so we make that one. Remember, I also said they were also talking about frying it. So I'm going to try that. I left 6 pieces back. And I'm going to try it. This is the fried one, guys. Haven't tasted it yet. Should I do it here? This is the fried one. I'm gonna taste it now. Oh! Mmm! And I'm gonna go in. So I'm serving with the soup and everything because it's very warm. Oops! Oh, so nice. Oh, I guess this is also filling. Alright guys, Swaggy, thank you for that recipe. It's delicious. We're already eating. I'm gonna get back to it. We love the recipe. We love it. Thank you so much, girl. We appreciate it. And take care. Big up.